After a whole life of being separate, Yaakov and Esav, they finally meet. What happens usually when girls, they're friends, they go separate ways, they haven't seen each other for 15 years? I'm going to show you my cute kids. I'm going to show you my clothes. I'm going to show you my house. Let's see what happened to you, and let's see who made it. And Yaakov comes simply with his big Jewish family, all of his children, and he's a shepherd, and he's got sheep and a wife, and okay, great. And he comes in, and Esav is wealthy, and he's the ruler of a whole land. And he comes and he's like, dab, dab, dab. He comes over to Yaakov and he goes, what do you got? Look at what I have. Yesh li rav. I have so much. And Yaakov says, Nebach, yesh li kol. I have everything. What do you mean you have everything? You're a shepherd of sheep. To have everything is not dependent on anything physical. When you are connected to your godly soul, when you realize Hashem is taking care of you at every single moment of your life, that He can do anything for you and that He wants to, and all you have to do is open your mouth, then you always have everything.